Hey guys, it's Saturday, January 17. I'm JamJeromeMachado.com and this is Jam Online TV. So this week, pag-uusapan natin ngayon ang dalawang bagong phablets. Yes, dalawang bagong phablets, si Xiaomi and of course si Cherry Mobile. Ano nga ba itong cellphone na to na, well, sobrang ganda ng specifications niya. So mamaya pag-uusapan natin kung ano itong smartphone na to. Actually, meron akong idea if you have seen my blog post sa JeromeMachado.com. So, pag-usapan muna natin yung mga bagong Xiaomi. Well, dalawang bagong phablets ang in-announce ni Xiaomi. The Xiaomi Mi Note and the Xiaomi whatever is the Mi Note Pro and the Mi Note. So, of course, the Mi Note has a, the Mi Note Pro has a better specifications. So, what's up with the Mi Note? Well, the Mi Note and the Mi Note Pro sports a 3D curved Gorilla Glass 3 with metal frame na design. Actually, maganda yung design niya. Sobrang thin, sobrang ganda. There's a 5.7-inch Sharp/JDI Full HD display for the Mi Note. There's a Snapdragon 801 quad-core processor. So the 801 is the one that you could found on the Samsung Galaxy S5 and the Xiaomi Mi 4. It's on Snapdragon 801 quad-core 2.5 GHz processor with Adreno 330 GPU. There's a 3 gigs of RAM. Take note that 3 gigs of RAM for the Mi Note. There's a 13 megapixel f2.0 camera. It's a Sony camera with optical image stabilization. So, yung OIS is when you're recording a video or taking a photo, so mas nagle-less yung shaky niya and mas gumaganda kasi hindi na siya shaky. I mean, even gumalaw yung kamay nyo, shaky yung kamay nyo, you don't have to worry about that kasi if you have OIS, mas less yung pagka-shaky niya. There's a 4 megapixel front camera with large 2 micron pixels. Wow. So 2 micron pixels, that's quite good for a front camera and 4 megapixel. And ito, para sa mga audiophiles, magugustuhan nila to, the hi-fi audio system, the 24-bit/192 kHz lossless playback support. So if you're playing a FLAC file or any file na audio file na sobrang ganda, I mean malalaki yung file, mas maganda dito sa Mi Note kasi mas mapapansin niyo yung clarity, yung ganda ng audio dito sa Xiaomi Mi Note and Mi Note Pro. So it also comes with a 3,000 mAh of lithium-ion battery with quick charge. That's quick charge 2.0. Of course, yung quick charge 2.0, if you don't have an idea, just like the Samsung Galaxy Note 4, the quick charge, and of course, hindi lang Samsung Galaxy Note 4, we also have the Oppo Find 7a, which is mas mabilis mag-charge than normal yung smartphones nyo. Basically, nag-charge siya sobrang bilis, parang around 30 minutes you already have 50% as long as nakapatay, or less than 50, siguro mga 40 to 50% in just 30 minutes. Kaya yon as long as meron quick charge. That's the one of the most parang biggest features late last year, and probably lahat ng flagship smartphones this year would sport that feature. Actually, lahat ng brand siguro magkakameron ng ganyan feature, the quick charge, the fast charge. Actually, iba lang yung tawag, pero ang pinaka-main pare-pareha sila is mabilis sila mag-charge. Alright? So, yun yung sa Xiaomi Mi Note. Not impressive? Not interested? Well, dito kayo may interest sa Xiaomi Mi Note Pro. So, the Xiaomi Mi Note Pro is powered by, ito na, Snapdragon 810 octa-core processor. It's a 64-bit processor. It's an octa-core processor. It's Qualcomm. My God. It also has an Adreno 430 GPU. Imagine, yung processor pa lang, malulula na kayo. Snapdragon 810. Just wow. And then, we have the 5.7-inch QHD display. Okay, yeah. The Samsung Galaxy Note 4, alright, pagbigyan na natin, the Samsung Galaxy Note 4 has that. Have that display, 5.7 QHD, alright? But this one, ito yung nagkakaiba sa kanila. This one has a 4 gig of RAM. It's not just a 4 gig of RAM, it's 4 gig LPDDR4 RAM. So, it's not DDR3. This one is DDR4. So, mas mabilis siya. And this one is 4 gig. And 64-bit yung processor. And it's Android Lollipop. My God, ang ganda niya. Nakakaiyak sa ganda, nakakaiyak sa ganda ng specification ng Xiaomi Mi Note Pro. So there's a 64 gig. 64 gig of internal storage. No, it's 64 gig eMMC. Ang bilis nito. Sa totoo lang, ang bilis nito eh. Ano bang natagkaawa ko dito? Ito na yung pinakamagandang smartphone siguro ngayon. Well, sa ngayon, we have MWC by February, so expect na mas marami pang smartphones na i-announce doon. Pero, wow! Mi Note Pro, 4GB RAM, 8-core na Snapdragon 810 QHD display. Wow! And lastly, ang Mi Note Pro, meron siyang LTE Category 9. So, LTE Cat 9, sorry. LTE Cat 9. So, worldwide halos yung LTE niya. Hindi nyo na kailangan magpaiba-iba pa ng smartphones. Pagpunta ka na ibang bansa. So, this one, it's Cat 9. Huwag kayo mag-aalala. Hindi nyo na problemahin ng LTE. So, ang tanong ng bayan, magkano ang Xiaomi Mi Note and the Mi Note Pro? Actually, medyo mahal siya compared to other smartphones. The Xiaomi Mi Note will sell at 2,299 yuan or 16,572 when you convert it directly. And then we have the Mi Note Pro for 3,299 yuan, which is 23,780. Pero considering na ganun yung specs ng Mi Note, actually ang mga smartphones na may ganito yung Mi Note specifications is, sabihin natin, well, 801, yes, Samsung Galaxy S5. Yeah, Samsung Galaxy S5, pero this one is 3 gigs of RAM. So sabihin na natin Sony Xperia Z3. Alright, so 801 and 3 gigs of RAM. Actually, ang price ng Z1 ngayon is around, well, parang siguro more than 20, but this one is 16,572. While the Xiaomi Mi Note Pro is an octa-core smartphone. This price at 3,299. That's 23,780. Actually, yung 23,780 maganda na yung price niya. Sa totoo lang. So, nawala yung video ko dito, so I'm gonna click this one. Yeah. So, for 23,780 maganda na yung yung price niya. Actually, maganda smartphone, so it's Snapdragon 810 and 4 gigs of RAM. Expected ko dapat dapat nasa 40 or around 35,000 pag siguro sa Samsung pag dumating siya yung Note 5 or yung next flagship. Pero alam mo, sobrang ganda nito. Sana magka-meron ako nito Mi Note Pro. This is a beautiful device. Amazing device. Pero expect natin ganito yung mga specifications sa smartphone. Pero ang Xiaomi na muna by January, nag-announce sila and hopefully maging available sila soon. Pero unfortunately, the Xiaomi Mi 4 isn't available pa sa Pilipinas. So don't expect the Mi Note and the Mi Note Pro would arrive in the Philippines anytime soon. So I guess that's it sa Xiaomi Mi Note and the Mi Note Pro discussion. So dito na tayo sa next one, the Cherry Mobile Cosmos One Plus. Yes! Actually, meron ako unboxing and hands-on ng Cherry Mobile Cosmos One Plus. The Cherry Mobile Cosmos One Plus was announced this week. And it packs and specifications sa pantapat sa Star Mobile 9X, the most powerful local branded smartphone. Well, may pantapat na po si Cherry Mobile. So, the Cherry Mobile Cosmos One looks very similar to the Cherry Mobile Cosmos, except that it has a faster NT6595 processor. It's a 2.0 GHz octa-core processor. There's a 5.5-inch LTPS Full HD display protected by Gorilla Glass 2. It also comes with a screen protector. There's a 32 gig of internal storage, 3 gigs of RAM. Take note that 3 gigs of RAM for a local branded smartphone, and a 32 gig of internal storage. That's quite big. There's a 14 megapixel, well, may tumatawag sa akin. Weird. Ngayon pa, sa Jam Online TV. That's funny. There's a 14 megapixel Sony IMX214 camera. That's an f2.0 camera with LED flash sa likod. This is the same sensor na ginagamit sa Nexus 6. There's a 8 megapixel front camera. There's GPS, GLONASS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.0, and finally, meron ng NFC sa MediaTek smartphone. And not just that, this one is a dual SIM, dual LTE smartphone. So, dalawa na yung micro SIM card na pwede, and nagsusupport siya ng LTE on both SIM card. Then, meron din siya NFC, nasabi ko na pala. There's a 2,700 milliamps of battery, that's 2,700 or 2,700 if you want to call it that way. There's an Android 4.4 KitKat, which is upgradable to Android Lollipop soon, as long as lumabas na yung update. So, the price is 39,990 So, that's around 14,000. Pero, for its price, sulit na sulit yung 6595 na octa-core processor, 32 GB of internal storage, and 3 gigs of RAM. Actually, maganda rin yung camera niya, which is a 14 megapixel IMX214 na Sony sensor. Katapat niya talaga yung Nexus 6, and so far so good na tutuwa ko doon sa camera niya. Ang ganda nung overall, ang ganda nung nung Cherry Mobile Cosmos One Plus, ang ganda ng output. Gustong-gusto ko yung kanyang specs for its price. Actually, sulit na sulit. Kaya nang talunin yung mga flagship last year. Other flagship, not all flagship smartphones, but can beat some flagship smartphones that was announced last year. And take note, hindi basta-basta flagship smartphones. Ito yung international brands na flagship smartphones. Like the Samsung Galaxy S5, it has a 3 gigs of RAM, 2 gigs of RAM, this one has 3 gigs of RAM, and mas mabilis yung kanyang MT6595 octa-core processor. But of course, this year, expect more octa-core smartphones sa may 6595 na processors. But this one, ito na yung biggest this year, the Cherry Mobile Cosmos One Plus. But of course, let's hope may Cosmos Z3, or yung kung naman susunod nilang flagship smartphone, mas meron siyang 64-bit na processor. So for now, we have the Cherry Mobile Cosmos One Plus. It's not 64-bit, pero it's really exciting. Sobrang ganda niya. I really like this device. Actually, ito yung second device ko after the Samsung Galaxy Note 4. So yeah, if you're looking for one, it's now available at Cherry Mobile Store and Kiosk. The Cherry Mobile Cosmos One Plus is now available, and if you want to know more about it, you could check out my unboxing and hands-on at my YouTube channel. Right? So I guess that's it sa Jam Online TV this week. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, well, mag-subscribe na po kayo. So if you want to know more about some phones, tablets, or laptops like the recently that I've unboxed, these Asus ZenBook UX303, mag-subscribe po kayo sa bit.ly/JamOnlineTV. Of course, don't forget to like this video. So yeah, I guess that's it. And once again, I'm JamFirmaChata.com, and this is Jam Online TV. So thank you, and see you guys again next week.